Hello again, fellow traders. Welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy again with another signal. Today's signal is going to be on XAUUSD, aka gold per US dollar. And without any more time to waste, let's go to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on calendar, currently the market shows that the seller side is a little bit more stronger than the buyer side, but the summary for the whole week was positive for this currency. And as you can see, in tomorrow's we have two news that are gonna pump up the price to the upside, as you can see. But as always, as we all know, the news are not enough. So let's hop onto the chart and see what do we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on XAUUSD, aka gold, on 1 hour time frame. And what I'm seeing here is that the price recently broke through an actual resistance level, which was here. This resistance level was so strong that the price reacted to it the second time it actually encountered with it. Now that the price has broke through above it and closed above it, we're going to forecast that the price is going to have a move to the upside. But the overall thing is, if we are going to open up the trade, our TPs are going to be small. So I recommend for you guys to wait a little bit for the price to retrace back to the downside, and then you can enter your trade whenever you like. And again, as always, before I start making it beautiful for you guys, it's up to you when to enter this trade, but it's going to be a buy signal. And as always, sit tight and enjoy the music so I can make this prettier for you guys. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, as I said just a little while ago, wait for the price to retrace back a little bit more to the downside, and then it is better for you to enter the trade. But again, it is always up to you when you want to enter the trade. And the other thing that I would recommend now is that if the TP1, sorry, let me fix this. If TP1 was broken, you can head for the second TP. Otherwise, this trade won't be a good setup, and it's going to be a little bit risky. And as always, I will end this beautiful video with another quote: risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So increase your knowledge so you can know what you're doing in the market. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day and peace.